Alright, we're here at Dog Haas. Try the tater tot. Proper. Try this one with the jalapenos on it. Perfect amount of spice, a lot of flavor. Very good.
Đây. 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 What's wrong there? Yep. Here. Why always focus on his face?
Try your corn dog.